You may know this, that your company may be watching you every move when you're at home. Now, obviously I'm at home, and I admit I'm still in my pajamas, okay, like a lot of you do on Zoom calls. It seems more and more employers are using Tattleware to keep track of everything you're doing or not doing, like you're taking a nap when you're supposed to be on Zoom or something, but you're on the clock, you know, basically from the office, but you're at home. This software monitors emails and can take pictures of you without you even knowing it. So keep your clothes on. So is this an invasion of your privacy, or the company simply looking out for its best interest, making sure that you're working? Attorney Amy Feldman joins us, and tech expert Anthony Mongeluzo joins us as well. Welcome to you both. Ant, let's start with you. This Tattleware, what does it do?
Well, let's start off with the basics. It can read your keystrokes as you type them.
What?
Literally everything you type, it can read.
Really? All right. What else?
It can view your web history. It can view your web searches and make sure it saves it so it will know everywhere that you went on the web.
Oh, no. All right. What else you got?
Well, you noted earlier, leave your clothes on. If you have a web camera in your laptop built in or an external one plugged in via USB, it can randomly or in a timed session take pictures of you to make sure you're actually sitting at your desk.
Oh, my God. Should I put tape over the camera lens?
Some people do that. I've also seen a Band-Aid put over the camera lens.
You know, I guess some companies, they'll want to actually see you in a Zoom meeting, though. So, will they know when I'm actually working? Now, if I just turned it on, wouldn't it seem like I'm working?
Well, sort of. They could also monitor when you log in and when you log off. So, and if you just log in, they could also monitor, as we said earlier, your keystrokes or your mouse movement. So they'll know if you're actively working or not.
And I actually heard one time too that you can monitor that if you don't move your mouse over a certain amount of time, they would know that you're not working.
100% correct.
What? What else you got? Is that it?
Oh, no, let's leave the best for last. They can also read all of your email and your private messages. Let's say you're on a private chat room, maybe you're on Telegram, maybe you're on some other messaging app. They can read everything.
For the love of God, I need to change my behavior. Let me close out of that. Amy, attorney, is this legal?
It is legal under most circumstances. There are laws that protect your rights. The Electronic Communications Privacy Act, for example, which tells companies what they can and can't do. For example, you can't just wiretap. You can't be your own Columbo and have your own wiretapping video or audio surveillance without a warrant. But there are loopholes in that big enough to drive a truck through, including all they have to really do is tell you that they're going to record or monitor you, and that's it. That's all they need to do.
So I heard that some companies don't have to tell their employees that they're doing this.
Well, so under certain circumstances, they don't have to tell you necessarily that your emails are being viewed if they have let you know that they own the server, they own what is stored there, they own what comes to a company's email address. So if you are doing your own private work, but people are sending it to you at Fox Philadelphia,
right,
well, then they have the right to see it, even if it was stored. And even if you've deleted it, Mike, if you haven't deleted from the deleted bin, they still have the right to see it.
Sorry,
My
computer's making noises. I probably have the wrong plug in here or something. So is there a law that would protect me?
Yeah, so basically what they can't do is not, if they're taking audio recordings, for example, in some states they have to let you know about that, Pennsylvania, for example, and if there are videotapes video being taken in places that you wouldn't expect, they'd have to let you know. But keep in mind how sneaky this can be, because all they have to do, they have to tell you as they're recording you. But if the recording is always on, then all they have to do is say something like, please be advised that we reserve the right to monitor or record at any time. And then they're always doing it.
Hey,
It's in a policy book.
Do you have clients that have experienced this?
Well,
we have clients that absolutely. I mean, there was one that I actually walked away from because I just thought it was getting too invasive. So, we work with this technology, we set it up, and I definitely see both sides of it. For me, it's not something that I would use on our staff or our team. But I've seen a couple scenarios where it's.
Is there any way I can tell that my company has Tattleware?
There's no real way unless you have good technical expertise where maybe you could look at processes running in the background of your computer. For instance, in Windows, you pull up the task manager. But typically, as Amy said, the company would have to let you know. And what I would always recommend to people, if you're using a company device, not your own device, but a company device, assume they're looking at you because they have the right. It's their device.
So again, don't take it into the bathroom. You've both said that over the years. Thank you both. Speaking of that, I need to go to the bathroom.